20 Chinese slang and buzzwords to help you understand native speakers and current Chinese media trends. If you want to improve your Chinese speaking and listening skills, or you want to connect with other Mandarin learners, I've made a Discord community for us. Last week, we just had a fun video chat there. Come and join us to practice your speaking skills. The first one, 外国人, literally means crooked nuts, but there's nothing related to nuts. It's just a funny way to say 外国人, which means foreigner, because 外国人, 外国人, they sound similar. To say really, in Mandarin Chinese, we often use 真的假的. So this slang, 真嘟假嘟, is just a cute way to say it. 真嘟假嘟, cute, right? Same as the last two, we use 太酷了 instead of 太酷了 because they sound similar. And why it went viral? Because there's an artist, Xiao Gui, who keeps repeating it in his show, so people are making fun of it.
如果你也可以像我一样，那我觉得这件事情太酷了。
Do you know the MBTI personality test? I and E stand for introvert and extrovert. So I 人 and E 人 are the other ways to say 内向的人、外向的人。显眼 means eye-catching or conspicuous. 包 here, it doesn't mean a bag or to pack or wrap something. It indicates the people with certain characters. So 显眼包 basically refers to the people who stand out in the crowd, who grab attention. It can be used in both positive and negative ways. If someone is liked, being called a 显眼包 means they're cute, outgoing, and they can light up the room. On the other hand, if someone is disliked, being called a 显眼包 means they're attention-seeking and a bit silly. Wi-Fi 型人格 means someone's emotions are like Wi-Fi signals, sometimes stable, sometimes unstable. And when people try to make connections with you, sometimes you'll get it quickly and clearly, but sometimes not. You know, there are people who aimlessly browse the web, hopping from one app to another, seeking comfort and dopamine on their phones, but end up with no satisfaction at all. We call them 网络流浪汉. 网络流浪汉. 搭子 is a type of casual friendship. Just like situationships in dating culture, 搭子 don't have to commit to each other. It doesn't mean you can't have more later on, but it's more about to have fun together based on your common interests. For example, we have 饭搭子, 健身搭子, 演唱会搭子, etc. 边界感, 情绪价值. These two are buzzwords. They became popular because these days younger generation pays more attention to their mental health and personal boundary, reflecting a higher level psychological needs in modern society for a better life. And here are two examples. 边界感是指区分自己与他人之间清晰边界的能力。边界感是指区分自己与他人之间清晰边界的能力。我喜欢能带给我情绪价值的朋友。我喜欢能带给我情绪价值的朋友。双向奔赴 refers to two individuals in love, admiring each other and making mutual efforts to get closer. For example, 我想要双向奔赴的爱情。我想要双向奔赴的爱情。纯爱战士 means pure love warrior, refers to the audience who only appreciate simple and positive storylines, no complexity and obstacles allowed. 废话文学 is used to describe online content that are somewhat funny but lack any useful information. So what can be called as 废话文学? Here are two examples. 这个西红柿有一股番茄味. It's like saying this tomato smells like tomato. Another one. 关于明天的事，我们后天就知道了. What's gonna happen tomorrow, we will know the day after tomorrow. This one basically means okay, fine. It can be used when you don't feel like replying messages but have no choice. The little tiny O, which is a full stop in Chinese punctuation, it delivers a helpless feeling. This one is often used in texting and commenting online. It has three meanings. When it's used as 懂得都懂, it means if you know, you know. When it stands for 顶顶顶顶, it means good or awesome to show support. As for 低调低调, it means keep it low-key. 五金女孩 refers to girls who like to use fashionable items with metallic texture or shiny elements in their outfit. 多巴胺穿搭 is the translation of dopamine dressing. It's a trend that encourages people to dress in a way that makes you feel good, whether it's playing with bold colors or adding some fun print to bring joy to your outfit. And the next one, 没钱穿搭, is pretty straightforward. It means to dress like you have no money. 质疑 someone, 理解 someone, 成为 someone. It shows a subtle shift from initially questioning someone's action or attitude to understanding them, then ultimately adopting their perspective. You probably know that 666 in China means awesome, amazing. But what about 999? It means something is incredibly amazing that made 666 do a backflip. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a 999 in the comment, and see you when I see you.